Book of Heaven, Volume 12, July 9, 1918. One who lives in the divine will lives within the fount of the love of Jesus. Continuing in my usual state, my sweet Jesus came and told me,
"My daughter, I am all love. I am like a fount which contains nothing other than love, and everything that might enter into this fount loses its qualities and becomes love. So in me, justice, wisdom, goodness, strength, etc. are nothing other than love. But who directs this fount, this love, and everything else? My will. My will dominates, rules, orders. So all my qualities carry the mark of my volition, the life of my will, and wherever they find my will, they make feast, they kiss each other. Where they don't, saddened, they withdraw. Now my daughter, one who lets himself be dominated by my will and lives in my volition, lives within my same fount, being almost inseparable from me, and everything in him turns into love. So love are his thoughts, love the word, the heartbeat, the action, the step, everything. It is always daylight for him, but if he moves from my will, it is always nighttime for him, and all that is human, miseries, passions, weaknesses, come out into the field and do their crafting on him. But what sort of a crafting? A crafting to be wept over.
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring His kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.